आदाब नाजरीन, सैयारा न्यूज टीवी से मैं सैयद अफरोज। आइए अहम खबरों पर नजर डालते हैं।
ग्रेटेड इन्फॉर्मेट लिमिटेड के चेयरमैन और एमडी विमल राज मनोहर ने मीडिया दिगर शोबों में अगले 3 साल में 5,000 करोड़ सरमायाकारी करने का ऐलान किया। आइए देखते हैं इसी के साथ तफसीली रिपोर्ट।
Raj Mathur, Dr. Vimal Raj Mathur. I'm the CMD for Gradient Infotainment Limited. Now we are having our 33rd annual board meeting today, and we have requested you to come forward to join us for this. We have a lot of announcements to be done. We are planning to invest more than 50 billion rupees in the content. As our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, has requested us to work more on orange economy. So we are working on that. Recently I had a meeting with Mr. Rajnath Singh also regarding this particular thing. So we are working very hard on that. So we are creating a lot of movies, we are creating a lot of web series, we are creating a lot of music. All these things are being done right now. So once all these things are done, our company will have very good turnovers and our shareholders will benefit a lot. Thank you very much.
So when you started this company and how long?
I started this company in 1983.
How going, sir? What's the difference, sir? That time and
That time nothing was there, this time everything is there. Because at that time we used to go and do the pasting of the one world. Now everything is on computerized or digital. It's too much of a difference, sir. We can't even imagine the kind of difference it has made now. Because at that time we used to work a whole night to do one small design. Today we can make it in one second. A lot of difference now. The email has come. At that time there was no mail. There was all faxes and all that stuff. We used to have so much problem doing the business. Because I do work for Sharp, Honda and Canon. Sharp is from Japan, Honda is from Japan, Canon is from Singapore, and then we do for Saudi Fisheries, which is there in Saudi Arabia. So many companies we do international. So at that time we used to have so much problem. Now it's so easy for us to do that.
so you want to give new life to beginners? Like
Yeah, definitely we'll give, because we'll be employing a lot of people in this. And also we are doing this Asian fashion tour now in Lucknow. We are doing a Miss Maharashtra show in Bombay. We are doing a lot of work right now. So all these things will be going on. And in the month of October itself, 2 shows are coming. Miss Maharashtra is coming on October 5th. And then Asian fashion tour is coming on 11th, 12th and 13th of October. All the models from Asia are coming in there. It's a very, very big festival.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hi everyone, this is Miss P.R. Roy, former Miss India 2018. I run a pageant training and model grooming academy in Mumbai, and today I am in Hyderabad at Gradient office. So I am excited, and something great is coming which you all will be aware of. Thank you.
Ma'am, they announced the $50 of for media, like new album songs, whatever. So how you feel?
What
Okay.
The new project, what you plan to do with us, that's what we wanted to know. She's a director in our music division, and she's handling all the music things. And we'll be working on a lot of new projects with her.
She's a part of this.
Part of the group, and she's handling a lot of things.
The director
She has been joined us today only.
of Gradient Music and Events.
Before that, we were working together in a lot of projects.
Ma'am, briefly, just 1 minute, briefly.
Sure. Tell me.
Okay. So,
It's an absolute honor for me to be part of this wonderful upcoming projects. I'm also an actor, and I had worked for Gradient movies, web series, which will be soon released in OTT platform. And apart from that, today I'm excited because I had been appointed as Gradient director for music and events.
Thank you.
And we are coming up with Miss and Mrs. Maharashtra, and also Lucknow Asian Fashion Group, Gradient Lucknow Asian Fashion Group.
she's handling the events.
And also I'm the brand ambassador for both upcoming fashion show and the beauty pageant, which is happening in Mumbai and Hyderabad. Sorry, Lucknow. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं हैदराबादी जी? कैसे हैदराबाद में कैसे बोलते हैं? सलाम वालेकुम बोलते हैं, सलाम वालेकुम बोलते हैं, सलाम वालेकुम हैदराबादी एंड नमस्कारम। तो मैं हूँ रेहा खान, आपकी अपनी जलपरी। सो आई एम हियर एंड आई एम सो ग्लेड कि मिस्टर माथुर इज इनवाइटिंग मी फॉर सच अ नाइस एंड न्यू एडवेंचर के लिए, एंड माई ऑल ब्लेसिंग, एंड दिस इज अ बोर्ड मीटिंग टुडे, सो वी आर हियर and we are exciting to वी वॉच कि क्या क्या आने वाला है, तो माथुर जी एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि what we are
We are also part of the promo for Great Music.
the part of the
Promos for Great Music. We'll be shooting.
ग्रेट म्यूजिक. ओके, सो बाकी सब तो आपको माथुर जी बताएंगे, सो यू कैन आस्क देम एंड ऑलरेडी मे बी ही ऑलरेडी टेल एवरीथिंग अबाउट दैट, सो आई कांट. फ्रॉम माय साइड एवरीवन, लव यू ऑल,
Come get.
लव यू हैदराबाद.
I'm Punjabi as well as Telugu actress. I recently did Bollywood film Jaat, directed by Gopi Chand Malileni sir, and there are certain upcoming Telugu films also like Godachari Part 2, Nagbandham, Bhargavi seasons, and some Telugu films which I've already done, which I was honored to be a part of, were Kishkindapuri, Thandel, OG, and I'm really happy to be a part of the Telugu industry, and I'm working on some more Telugu films. Presently, right now, I'm at Radiant Infotainment Private Limited office, and we have our 33rd annual meeting here, and I'm happy to be a part of this event conducted by Vimal Raj Mathur sir. Thank you so much.
I am really and extremely kind of happy to be over here, and grateful to sir as well to give me this part, and I am really very happy and blessed, feeling blessed to be over here as well. So yeah.
Any upcoming movie?
Then Reddy, yeah, that is my upcoming movie. This is the first production, and we are hoping to go
Which role you played?
lead. I am currently playing lead.
Shooting has started or not?
Shooting is not yet started, so it's actually under pre-production. So we are hoping and we are waiting for that to go on set.
Okay, ma'am. Finally, which role you want to play? Which is your dream?
Okay, I really want to play some challenging roles where it should be like kind of female-oriented movie where we have other things to have the exposure of as well, like some action, thriller. So yeah, I'm really hoping for that. If at all I get that kind of movies, that'll be really kind of.
How many years to try in coming to the film?
It's been actually I have started 3 years back. So at the time I worked in big productions, and those were like kind of character roles. So yeah, after that I started getting some lead opportunities as well. So yep, right now I am kind of going with that. So hoping for that. Thank you so much.
हाय, मैं हूँ निवेदिता बासु. मैंने जितने भी के शोज़ थे बालाजी शुरू किया था एकता के साथ 2000 में. 15 साल में मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 100 डेली सोप्स करे हुए हैं. उसके बाद मैंने OTT स्पेस में जर्नी ली, जहाँ पे मैंने इंडिया का फर्स्ट एरोटिक प्लेटफॉर्म उल्लू शुरू किया था. उसके बाद अतरंगी TV और OTT शुरू किया था. फिर इंडिया का फर्स्ट रिलीजियस प्लेटफॉर्म हरिओम करा था. तो 3 सक्सेसफुल OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स लॉन्च करने के बाद हम लोग माथुर जी के साथ जुड़े हैं, जहाँ पे हमारा प्लान है कि जो फ्यूचर है, जो वर्टिकल ड्रामाज में है, शॉर्ट ड्रामा सीरीज़ में है, उस वाले वर्टिकल को एक्सपैंड करा जाए अलॉन्ग विद ऑफ कोर्स आपके जो मेन स्ट्रीम OTT शोज़ हैं. और अभी मार्केट इतना खुल गया बिकॉज सोशल मीडिया इतना ज़्यादा लोगों में प्रेवलेंट हो गया है. लोग शॉर्ट्स बना रहे हैं, लोग यूट्यूब में कंटेंट बना रहे हैं. तो सबको एक प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए जिसका अच्छा रीच और मार्केटेबिलिटी हो, और वही हमारा विजन है ओमनी स्टार और ग्रेडियंट में कि हम उसको बढ़ाएं और इसको नई ऊंचाइयों पे ले जाएं.